In any organization, the work goes in and the results follow. Positive results are dependent on lots of moving parts working seamlessly together without disruption. Even small internal changes can impact these interconnections of the working parts, leading to negative results and potential consequences for customers. These challenging change initiatives can also influence the whole organization as staff frustrations grow, leading to disengaged managers and resistant staff becoming less productive. DELTAoverC is a platform specifically designed to support organizations implement positive and sustainable change and transformation. The DELTAoverC application creates visibility for change leaders, supports frontline managers, and empowers end users, leading to positive and sustainable results. Ensure that your organization's moving parts work together during times of disruption and change. DELTAoverC, enabling positive, sustainable organizational change and business transformation. Available on MS Teams, download from the Apple App Store, or get it on Google Play. Reach out to learn how DELTAoverC can create visibility, support, and empowerment into your next change initiative.